Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Tree, the fun with Tree Junior Pro. As usual, my name is Kwesi. So the reason why I've been off was I went to the doctors, found out my cholesterol and my blood pressure was high, dangerously high. I was told that I would either get stroke or pass on if I kept on eating the way I was eating. So I had to make some changes. So as a result, as you can see, I've lost a lot of weight. Started off where I was like almost 83 kilograms. Now I'm 65 kilograms. So for the past 3 months, I've been on a strict diet, not really strict, but I'm more on the OMAD diet, meaning I eat once a day specific food just to balance everything out. But so far so good. Went back and my cholesterol is now in the normal range, so I'm actually good now, hence I'm back. So thanks a lot for you guys for staying tuned. I'm back for good now, so keep on sending your translations and I'll do them the best as I can. So for this week, we have one person that needed something translated. That person is Daniel. Daniel, thanks again for your continued support. And these are the things that Daniel wanted to know. The first thing that Daniel wanted to know was how to say put it straight. Again, put it straight. Now that in Tree can be said as fatu hoti. Again, fatu hoti. Slower. Fatu hoti. One last time. Fatu hoti. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was you are distracted. Again, you are distracted. Now that in Tree can be said as Wɔatwetwe w'adwene. Again, Wɔatwetwe w'adwene. One last time. Wɔatwetwe w'adwene. Slower. Wɔatwetwe w'adwene. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was don't distract me. Again, don't distract me. Now that in Tree can be said as ma twetwe m'adwene. Again, ma twetwe m'adwene. Slower. Ma ntwetwe m'adwene. One last time. Ma ntwetwe m'adwene. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was what's inside you. Again, what's inside you. Now that in Chi can relatively be said in two ways. The very first way one can actually say that is Dana ewo wumu. Again, Dana ewo wumu. Roughly translate, Den is what? Ewo wumu is inside you. Dana ewo wumu. So the other way one can actually say that is Nia ewo wumu. That's like a short version of it. Nia ewo wumu. Again, Nia ewo wumu. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was who did this to you. Again, who did this to you. Now that in Tree can be said as Hwan ɔyɛɛ osa. Again, Hwan ɔyɛɛ osa. One last time. Hwan ɔyɛɛ osa. If I say Hwan ɔyɛɛ osa, what I'm trying to say is Hwan is who. Na ɔyɛɛ osa did whatever they did to you. Again, Hwan ɔyɛɛ osa. Slower. Hwan ɔyɛɛ osa. One last time. Hwan ɔyɛɛ osa. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was get ready. Now that in Tree can be said as krado. Again, krado. One last time. Krado. Slower. Krado. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was I'm ready to be used. Again, I'm ready to be used. Now that in Tree can be said as Mayɛ krado sɛ wode me bedi dwuma. Mayɛ krado sɛ wode me bedi dwuma. One last time. Mayɛ krado sɛ wode me bedi dwuma. Slower. Mayɛ krado sɛ wode me bedi dwuma. Next thing Daniel wanted to know was it's been too long. Again, it's been too long. And that in Tree can be said as ɔyɛɛ bere tenten dodo. Again, ɔyɛɛ bere tenten dodo. Slower. ɔyɛɛ bere tenten dodo. Roughly translated, I'm saying it's been too long. Ɔyɛɛ bere tenten dodo. Again, ɔyɛɛ bere tenten dodo. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was what may I help you with. Again, what may I help you with. Now that in Tree can be said as Dana mɛboa wo. Again, Dana mɛboa wo. Dana mɛboa wo. So if I break it down, Dana is what? Can. Literally translated. Dana mɛboa wo. Boa is help. Wo is you. Wo is whatever the specific thing is. So again, Dana mɛboa wo. One last time. Dana mɛboa wo. The last thing that Daniel wanted to know was how much did you pay for it. Again, how much did you pay for it. Now that in Tree can be said as Wotuaa kasem. Again, Wotuaa kasem. Wotuaa is how much did you pay. Wotuaa kasem is literally asking you how much the price was. So again, Wotuaa kasem. Slower. Wotuaa kasem. One last time. Wotuaa kasem. Guys, thanks again for continued support. Remember guys, keep on pouring in the translations. I'll do them every Sunday. So at most Monday it will be out, by chance of Sunday it will be out. By the way, happy Christmas, because the next time will be Christmas. I think Christmas is on Thursday next week. But guys, please be safe out there. Take good care of yourselves. Keep on spreading the word. If anyone wants to learn tree or find out about tree, come to this channel, and I hope they'll learn something. What else? Remember, if you like the content of the channel, click on the like button, subscribe button, and bell button for future notifications. What else is there? I can't wait for next week, guys. Keep on sending in the translations and I'll do what I can, guys. With lots of love from me, Kdei. Bye.